I have these 3 star patches, I guess you could call them, right over here. And so I could say if I had one group of 3 star patches, how many star patches do I have? So I literally have one group of 3 star patches. Well, that means that I have 3 star patches. 1, 2, 3. This is my one group of 3. Now let's make it a little bit more interesting. Let's say that I had 2 groups. Let's say that I had 2 groups of 3. So that's one group, and then here's a second group. Here's 2 groups of 3. So how many total star patches do I have now? Well, I have 2 groups of 3. 2 groups of 3. Or another way of thinking about it is this is 3 plus 3. This is equal to 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. Equal to 6. So we see 1 times 3. One group of 3 is 3. 2 groups of 3, which is literally 2 3s, is 6. Let's make it even more interesting. Let's have 3 groups of 3. 3 groups of 3. Now what is this going to be equal to? Well, it's 3 groups of 3. So I could write this as 3 groups, 3 times 3. And how many of these star patches do I now have? Well, this is going to be 3 plus 3 plus 3. It's going to be 3 plus 3 plus 3. Notice I have 3 3s. I have 2 3s. I have 1 3. So this is 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. And you can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or you could just count by 3s. 3, 6, 9. And I think you see where this is going. Let's keep incrementing it. Let's get 4 groups of 3. So let's think about what 4 times 3 is. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This right over here is 4 groups of 3. We could write this down as 4 times 3. 4 times 3, which is the same thing, as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Notice I have 4 3s. 1 3, 2 3s, 3 3s, 4 3s. 1 3, 2 3s, 3 3s, 4 3s. So we get 3, 6, 9, 12. 12. So what I encourage you to do now that the video is almost over, is to keep going. I want you to figure out what 5 times 3 is. 5 times 3, and 6 times 3, and 7 times 3, and 8 times 3, and 9 times 3, and 10 times 3. And I'll give you a little hint. You don't always have to draw the star patches, but it's nice to visualize it. We saw 4 times 3 is literally 4 3s. Well, 5 times 3 is going to be 5 3s. So 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Which is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 15. So I encourage you to think about what all of these are after this video is done.